Hi there, Lena. I found the shortcut. We're going to be doing problem number 2 together. And if I remember correctly, it looks like so. Number 2 is x to the third minus 8. This is the one we're doing. Now, here's the shortcuts I was looking for. When you're working with difference of the cubes, you have these two formulas. I'm going to color code it for you. We have a to the third plus, if you have b to the third, the way you break it down is like this. Ready? It's going to be a plus b, parentheses, then you do a squared minus a times whatever b is, plus b squared. Okay, that is if there's a plus sign in the middle. And then if there's a minus sign, a to the third and b to the third, and there's a minus sign, goes like this. This is going to become minus, and this is plus, and then this is plus. There's a pattern with those signs. I'll show it to you in just a moment. So this is a minus b, and then a squared plus a times b plus b squared. What you basically need to understand is that when you have a cubed plus or minus b cubed, what you want to do is you do a, here's b, and you do the same sign. So I'm just going to write same. I'll explain this in a minute. Same sign, and then we do this. We're going to do the a squared, and you use the opposite sign, a times b, and then this last one is always positive sign b squared. Okay, so let me explain this. Here, this is a plus sign, so we use a plus sign here, then we use the opposite sign there, and the last one's always positive. Here we have a negative sign, so we use the same sign there, negative, the opposite sign there, and then always positive. So that's the two shortcuts. If you need to, memorize this one. This one kind of works for both. It's a, same sign b, a squared opposite sign, a times b, and then always positive b squared. Now, how does that work for what we're doing? We're going to do it together. Okay, so here we have for number 2, we had x squared minus 8. So not squared, excuse me, cubed. X cubed minus 8. The first thing you want to do is get it in the cubed form for both. Now this one's already in the cubed form, x cubed, but this one you had to recognize was 2 cubed. Okay, now we're going to plug it in here, and I'm going to get the signs first off. So we go same sign, and then we do opposite sign, and this last one is always positive. So the first one, your a is going to be x minus, and your b is 2. And then here we have a squared, so this, in this case, it's x squared. And then we do a times b, so that's going to be plus 2x plus b squared, which in this case is 2 squared. You just clean it up a little, and your final answer is x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. And that is your final answer.